Hi, this is Charmin. Welcome to my channel, The Serene Wellness Path. Ever notice how you get sick right when life gets stressful? A big deadline, a family issue, and suddenly you're reaching for tissues? That's not just bad luck. It's your body signaling the deep connection between your mind and your health. Worry isn't just in your head, it's a real force that affects your body. When we're stuck in worry, it's like leaving a faucet, dripping slowly, draining our energy. This video is your invitation to explore how worry impacts your immune system and how understanding this can help you feel stronger and more at ease. We'll look at the signs and then share practical steps to help you find more peace and resilience. It's not about eliminating worry, but learning to manage it so your body can do its best work. Let's begin this journey inward with curiosity and compassion. What is worry really? It's not just a fleeting thought, it's a mental loop, replaying negative outcomes and future fears. Worry pulls us out of the present, trapping us in a cycle of what ifs that rarely come true. Our bodies react to these imagined threats as if they're real, keeping us on high alert. The key is recognizing worry as a pattern, a habit we can change. When we notice we're on that hamster wheel, we can choose to step off. This isn't about blaming ourselves, but about gently guiding our attention back to the present. By seeing worry for what it is, we take away some of its power. We are not our worries. We are the observer, capable of returning to calm. That's the first step toward freedom. The mind-body connection is real. Your thoughts and emotions create chemical reactions in your body every moment. Think of your nervous system as the internet and hormones as the messages. When you worry, your brain sends a danger alert, flooding your body with stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. This fight-or-flight response is helpful in emergencies, but modern stress keeps it switched on too long. Chronic stress wears down your systems, especially your immune defenses. Your immune cells are always listening to these stress signals. By calming your mind, you directly support your body's health. It's all connected. So how does worry weaken your immune system? Think of your immune system as an army. Chronic stress throws it into chaos. Stress hormones like cortisol disrupt immune cell balance, chronic inflammation distracts your defenses, and poor sleep leaves your body unprepared. Even your gut health, a major part of immunity, suffers under stress. Understanding these pathways empowers you to make better choices for your health. This isn't about fear, it's about knowledge and self-care. As we break down these effects, remember every step toward understanding is a step toward well-being. Let's dive in. Meet cortisol, stress hormone. In small doses, it's helpful, but chronic worry keeps it elevated. Too much cortisol tells your immune army to stand down, especially your white blood cells called lymphocytes. These special forces fight off viruses, but high cortisol weakens and confuses them. At first, stress can give you a burst of energy, but over time, it suppresses your immune response. That's why you get sick more easily when you're stressed. Managing stress isn't optional, it's essential for a strong immune system. Calming your mind helps rebalance your hormones and rearm your body's defenses. It's a direct, powerful link. Chronic worry fuels low-grade inflammation, a constant alarm that distracts your immune system. It also steals your sleep, robbing your body of the deep rest it needs to repair and recharge. During sleep, your immune system produces proteins that fight infection and inflammation. Without enough rest, your defenses are down. Stress also disrupts your gut microbiome, where most of your immune system lives. An unhealthy gut means weaker immunity and more inflammation. These effects add up, but the good news is you can influence them with daily habits. Small changes make a big difference. How do you know if stress is hurting your immunity? Your body sends signals if you're getting sick often, feeling deeply fatigued, or your skin and digestion are acting up. Pay attention. Slow healing of cuts or scrapes is another clue. These aren't just annoyances, they're your body's way of asking for help. Don't ignore these signs. Instead, see them as invitations to pause and care for yourself. Listening to your body is a powerful act of self awareness. Respond with kindness, not criticism. Your body is on your side. So, what can you do? Start with mindfulness. Just a few minutes of present moment awareness can calm your nervous system. Move your body in ways you enjoy yoga. Walking, dancing movement lowers stress and boosts immunity. Prioritize sleep. Create a calming bedtime routine and aim for quality rest. Connect with others. Sharing your worries lightens the load. Nourish your body with colorful, whole foods to support your gut and immune health. These aren't chores, they're acts of self-care. Small, consistent steps build resilience. This is your toolkit for peace and strength. Remember, you have the power to create peace and wellness within. The mind-body connection is your ally, not your enemy. Worry is human, but it doesn't have to run your life. Every small act of self-care is a vote for your well-being. Find what feels good, listen to your body, and respond with kindness. Share this knowledge, support others, and be a ripple of calm in your world. Start with one gentle step today. Your journey to health and peace begins now.